So this is like one of my go-tos right now. It's just lump crab meat with a little bit of cream cheese, mayonnaise, salt, pepper, garlic, and shredded cheese heated up. And it gives me all the feels of like comfort food. It may look gross, but don't judge a book by its cover. And it's getting me through craving. Have you guys ever been to like a Chinese buffet and they have that crab like casserole with the cheese? This is exactly what it tastes like. I don't know what it is. Everybody's got their like go-to to help them get through a phase of a diet. Well, right now that's mine. And of course I don't do it more than once a day because it can break my calorie deficit, but there we are.